mo, tiga Pilipina kami na din. Hi. Hi. We're in the bus now, going to Cheltenham. And we have lots of stuff. Look. It's okay. Sinakaway niya ako, sabi naman hindi ka pwede mag-video. So ayun, magdala kami ng si Luella magsi-share siya ng blessing sa iba. Kaya yung mga damit-damit niya na mga ibigay na niya. So habang kanina guys naputol ko kasi habang papunta kami naghihintay ng bus, may dumating na babae. Nandito siya sa likod ko guys. Oo, nakikipag-usap siya sa akin. Ayan siya, galing daw siya sa from Thailand. Tapos sabi niya mag-isa na lang daw siya kasi namatay yung asawa niya, kawawa naman guys. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, saan ka ba nakatira? Sabi niya dyan lang din daw. So medyo magkalapit kami guys. Sabi ko sa kanya alam ko ba magtrabaho sa country to? Sabi niya sa akin, oo. Sabi ko, sige, ipasok kita na trabaho. Pag may bakante sa trabaho ko, ipapasok kita kasi kawawa naman guys, wala siyang trabaho guys. So ayun, mag lang kami guys, may ibibigay lang kami sa kaibigan ko ito, mga dala-dala namin. So see you in a minute guys. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye. Hello guys, nandito na kami naghihintay. So ang dami naming dala-dala guys, ang sakit ng kamay ko. So ang bata si Cordapia, nagutom na daw siya. Sabi ko mamaya ka na kumain na, pero gutom na daw siya. Kaya binilhan ko siya ng donuts. See the donuts. Yun, ang dami naming bit-bit. So maghintay lang ako sa kaibigan ko guys. Tapos mag-ikot-ikot kami kung anong pwedeng mabili. So ayun, ang dami naman tao dito guys, pero dito lang kami nag-upo sa sa upuan sa waiting shed para wala masyadong taong lalapit sa amin kasi nilagyan ko rin yung upuan nito Puno ang taon guys, puno kasi ang daming taong nagsha-shopping. Namili sila ng mga kung ano-ano. So ayun. Guys, sell dito guys. So sell daw. Top shop man. Lahat nagsisell sila pero hindi naman masyado mura guys, mahal pa rin. So dito lang kami muna nag-upo guys habang naghihintay. Kawawa naman yung namit ko kanina guys, sabi niya wala daw siya guys. So, lahat daw binibigyan daw siya ng kung ano-ano. So naisip ko guys, bibigyan ko siya ng something. Sabi ko sa kanya, paano ba kita mamit uli? Sabi niya, ito yung address ko. So nandyan lang pala siya malapit sa bahay. So kawawa naman guys kasi she is from Asia, from Thailand. So tutulungan ko siya guys, bibigyan ko siya ng konti kung ano yung pwede ko ibigay this Pasko. Kasi kawawa naman, ganun talaga dito pag wala kang trabaho, mahirap ang buhay. Hindi biro guys, hindi madali, hindi porket nasa abroad madali na ang kwarta. So kaya yun sabi ko sa kanya, hanapan kita ng trabaho kung allowed ka magtrabaho dito. So yun lang guys, mamaya uli. Busy lang kumakain ito habang naghihintay. Lamig nak no? Ang lamig guys. What is that, Lulu? Huh? You're going to pay now? Ninang Eileen bought for you, yeah? Huh? Your bag. Elsa.
This is learning how to use.
Oo. Naalala ko noon last year, hindi ba magkasama tayo ni Madam. Tapos magbayad na, sabi ni Lol. I will pay. Give me your money, I will pay. Hingian niyo ng kwarta si Sabi ni Madam, ako na magbayad. Sabi niya, give me your money, I will pay. So, yun ang nangyari. Last year yun, Christmas din yun. Nag-ikot-ikot tayo sa shop. Tapos siningian niya si Madam ng pera. Kasi sabi niya, Sabi niya, wala naman akong pera. Bigyan mo ako pera at ako magbayad. Buang ng bata na to.
Alam mo, mahal niya si Maria yan.
Ano, bata pa yun noon at tanda na niya.
Oo, mahal niya. Alam mo, mahal niya kayong dalawa.
Kumusta na kaya siya?
Happy na lang siya.
Okay naman.
Oo, naglabas sila ni na...
Parang may ano sila daw, may nakita
hotel.
kasi ako sa ano, Facebook.
Sila.
May nakita akong ganyan.
Oo, si Marisa.
Oo.
Oo. Hindi, nag-i-invite niya ako. Pero sabi ko,
Oo.
kayo na lang kasi dito ako. Kasi nasa UN.
Ayun na guys, magbabayad na si Luella. Go on over there. You pay for Christmas. Go on. Give to the lady the thing. Give the bag first. The bag first. That's it.
Thank you.
And then pay the money. Pay to her. You're welcome. Okay, that is it, darling. You gonna now? Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, come on now. Bye, you gonna say to Ninang Ilin, darling. This way. What you gonna say to Ninang?
Oh,
Thank you. O, tara na.
at least isapin na. Sigat ka.
Oo, kaya nga eh.
I need to mom.
Where are you going, Lou? Go now. What's wrong?
Gracias.
She is with her Ninang Ilin. Let's have a look around.
Oh, Tanya's got back.
Dito pa kami guys, nag-ikot-ikot, nag-window shopping pa kami. Tapos na kami kumain, hindi ko na na-videohan kumain kami guys. Basta maproseso kumain dito guys. Hindi ka allowed kumain pag wala kang record sa doctors guys, para matrace kayo kung saan kayo nagpunta, saan kayo kumain, saka ilang oras kayo. Yun, so hindi na ako nakapag video nung kumain kami kasi matrabaho, ang dami mong fill up na form. Yeah, so sobrang hassle. So ay nako, pero sa wakas nakatapos na rin. Dito na kami nag-ikot-ikot tapos namin kumain. Yun lang. See you in a bit guys. Ikot pa kami, mag-window shopping pa more. Bye. Mag-window shopping lang kami guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Oo, yan si Luella tsaka yung ninang niya. Nag-meet up kami dito. Ikot-ikot.
We slow down, babe.
Kumain kami guys, pero hindi ko na na-videohan nung kumain. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung kumain. Kasi maraming proseso guys. Ang dami kong pinil up na form. Hindi ka makakakain pag wala kang pipil up na form para sa doctors mo. So yun. Right, let's go. Go over there. Sarado na ang shop bukas. Ate, sarado na ito bukas, no? Tomorrow is closed, so this is the last time to have look around in the shop. Yeah, so this is the last time we're gonna look around in the shop. Tomorrow is closed. Okay na. aakyat sa taas? Tara. Let's go upstairs. $70% daw yung sa mga panglalaki.
Ha?
70% daw yan. Minsan naman kasi kahit 70% mahal.
Ay, totoo sinabi mo.
Niloloko lang minsan tayo nitong ano eh. Sale na to eh. Pero mahal. Yeah, we go upstairs, have a look around there. And then we can shortcut here, oh.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Lou, come on, Lou. This way. Oh, there, they got some flowers, oh. Municipal office. Come on this way. This is the flowers ready for summer. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Pati, hindi kayo mamatay ngayon, ano?
For winter yan.
Ah, winter flowers ba to? Ah, this is the winter flowers, guys. Oh, look, come on. It's a lot, guys. What amazing.
Cheltenham Municipal Office.
But if it's nice, guys. Oh, and that's municipal office here. Yes. Do you want me to take a picture, there?
Yeah.
Take the picture. Go in the middle, and I will take your photo. Right, that's it. Dito, guys. Nag-window shopping kami. Tapos namin nag-window shopping. Dito na naman kami mag-ikot-ikot. Kasi huling open ngayon ng shop, guys. Tapos magsasara na sila. So, yun. Dito lang kami ikot-ikot. Saan tayo, te? Oh, we gonna go there. Let's go.
When hotel?
Sa Queen Hotel. The expensive hotel in Cheltenham. Nakita nga siya eh. Hindi na nga siya pabigat. Wait anak, they got call. Look, come back, look. Dito kami sa park. Ayun. So si Luella mabilis pa sa alas 4. Basta park.
Hindi na talaga ang bata.
Lo, wait anak. Wait.
Just got to bed, so she wouldn't drive to back.
Mat ang mga bata mahilig sa park, no?
Oo, oo. Yun ang kanila kalito niya.
Ganda ng view doon, no? Ayan. Ito naman, nakaupo tayo. Asa na siya? Lol, hello anak! Where are you? I'm doing sa my vlog. Right behind. Whee! Diyos ko, para tayong mga bata nito. Basta may kasamang bata. Alanak, nahihilo na ako. Basta may kasamang bata eh. Okay na? Whee! Up! I will do it now.
Say faster, Mom.
Yeah, I will.
Maybe that.
Go sit down. Super fast. Ang lamig ng kamay ko. Just go sit down, sit down. Getting color. Say good evening now everybody. Nandito na kami sa sasakyan. We're here in the car. After a long journey to walk around in town, it's a last day today to open all the shop, and tomorrow it's closed, Dada, yeah? Yeah, so we do some window shopping only. We didn't buy anything, just looking around. And we've been eating Burger King, and me and Ate Eileen were both confused because we didn't know how to sign all of that. The man said it's a kiosk, I don't know what's chaos. So what's chaos? And then he said you need to sign the form that your doctor knows that you've been here. If anything's problem, blah blah blah. So I put my number. They have lots to fill. They have lots to fill out, guys. Oh my goodness, it's hard to eat outside. And then we were
Just
thinking,
in case someone else gets the virus.
yeah, we're thinking we're gonna eat into the outside something in the park. But the man said as long as you sign the kiosk whatever, I don't know what's that. It's about the form to clear that you've been there, to send into your NHS doctor whatever. So they allowed you to eat inside, but very low distancing today. So we're tired now. So Dada, she picked me up here on the bus station, but we ride the bus to go home because he been to work, and now he picked me up on the bus station, and we just go somewhere to send some presents to his friend, and we're gonna go home. That's all. I'm gonna end this vlog now. Bye bye. See ya guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to tired.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Bye, Dada.
Gonna cause an accident, you will.
Bye, Dada. I will do that. That's all. Bye.